What do you reckon, Bingo? Rocket ship?
No thanks.
Princess?
Maybe.
Hello there.
Please turn the page.
Hello there.
Watch.
No. Keep turning. Duck cake! Yeah, duck cake!
Got any grapes? The man said,
Shut up!
Was that my mother?
Do you remember my clown cake?
He was funny. This episode of Bluey is called Funny.
I'll do my best.
Don't worry, Dad. I can help you.
Whoa.
Can I help you now? Aw, but the fun stuff's more fun.
I'm not paying you $50 to clean up your mess, Bluey.
I didn't ask.
Oh, why not?
Because it's a shouldn't. You should just do. Here you go. I did my best.
Did you help make it, Bluey? Bluey?
It's only magic. Isn't it amazing when you know? Every second that you see is 24 connected pieces. Thank you for coming, thank you for staying.